Hello again people. Right, this is part 2 of the daily line box video, and look, this thing can be set up to build a box and a strategy around any time of the hour you like. So in this instance we've gone for the last 5 minutes of the hour running up to 7 o'clock in the morning. So 6:55 to 7 o'clock is the box, and then the breakout levels are those two green lines there, right up until 9 in the morning, 8 in the morning. Sorry, 6:55, 7 o'clock, 8 in the morning, and you know that you can set it for any time you like. So and it goes on for 200 days, as it were. So there's the previous day's box breakout, and this actually that looked identical, actually. Breakout, pullback, continuation. I didn't set this up on purpose, I didn't know that at all. Breakout, pullback, continuation. How mad is that? I wonder what the one before that did. So you can see how you can build up a trading strategy using, oh my god, breakout, pullback, continuation. Then you add to your statistics, if you like, what would happen if you only traded a valid signal of the histo alert, and then you could add to that what would happen if you waited for a breakout of the box that was validated by a 3-candle reversal in the right direction, that was below the hourly 8 EMA, that happened to the RSI, and then you can see you can build up a. So that's 3 winners on that selling short there with those circumstances. Well, we don't know where the hourly 8 EMA is. We're above it, so let's say we wouldn't have traded that one. But that's come back down, test, continuation. Quite fascinating, really. See what the other one did. Almost identical. Breakout, pullback, continuation, even the RSI. So that looks like quite a strong strategy. This one to the upside, above the hourly 8, histo's right, trends in place, breakout, pullback, continuation. So, I mean, that's crazy amazing. I'm fascinated by this now. Yeah, so this one looked like it failed, but if you just said, right, okay, you don't take the breakout until it comes back and tests with the histogram, you would have been good to go to the long side here. That wouldn't have even triggered. This one would have. Pullback, continuation, histo alert. We're on a 1 minute chart, of course, and if you can hear that noise, it's my dog licking a piece of food. So 9-pip winner on that one. So one more, because this is quite fascinating, then I'll get back to the topic. This is totally off the cuff, guys. I have studied these sort of things before, so the 5 minute to the open 5 minute was a strategy I was following at one point, but yeah, just crazy. There's another breakout, pullback, continuation, and nearly 9 pips. So if you'd gone for 5 pips with every one of those, you would have had something like 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 6 winning trades. One more, because I'm addicted to this now. So you can see how you can use this thing. Yeah, that's a failure. Failure to the short side. It did follow the rules, and it would have pulled back straight away. So back to the indicator itself. That's what that looks like. 8.9. So you start at 9/10 or whatever it is, 9/6 of the way through. Don't hate me for my useless calculations. That's 7 o'clock, so 6 and 90% of the 60 minutes, whatever that is. So 6 9s are 54 minutes after 6. So it's the last 6 minutes, in fact, of the 6 to the 7 o'clock hour. So it's 6:54 till 7, and then you carry on the lines till 8 o'clock. So you can set it. You can do that. Let's say 6 8s are 48. So it'll be the last 12 minutes in this one. Okay, close, and we can look at a box, and it should be the last 12 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, 12 minutes. That's how that works, alright? So you can set these boxes, that's your breakout area, and then they're your breakout levels. Okay? And you can set it for any time of day, any minute of the day. You can set it for the 12 minutes after, and so on and so forth. So it is, well, it's infinite really. You can set it for 2 minutes. Do your calculations of the percentage of 60 minutes, and there you go. So it's a powerful tool to add to whatever tools in your toolbox you use. RSI Histo Alert. I haven't been using the RSI Histo Alert with this ever, so this will be a new phenomena for me. And you can set it for the 4 hour. Let's go for the second 4 hours of the day. So that would be, the first would be 0, so the second 4 hours would be 4 till 8, which is 2 in the morning till 6 in the morning, and then we'll set it for just the hour after that, 9. 4 till 6, and the breakout period is till 7 o'clock. And we'll put it on the 5-minute chart, and there we go. So breakout with the Histo Alert telling us screaming go short, and there it is. And breakout, Histo screaming short, and there we go. Breakout, nothing. That's our time period. If you'd set it for there, the Histo would have got you into the trade there. Breakout, if you'd set the hourly, your time zone, which would be sensible, to 9 o'clock, to be honest with you, said okay, I'm going with the Histo and the breakout, there it would have been their profitable trade. Once again, Histo, bang, profitable trade. At no point did we break out. You could also add, well, we want to close on that to be super sure. Then you can drop down to the 1 minute and trade the Histo in the direction to get your precise entry. Breakout, you had a bit of pullback there, and but providing the rules, you know, your bust and your break and bust fit in, then that box breakout would have been lovely. No breakout to the long side at all. It just stopped. Well, it didn't. This is our trading period here. This is your breakout box, the green. So that was a non-starter. This one was a non-starter because it's outside your box, but if you'd said any time in the London session, as it were, then you were good to go short, and it would have been a winner. Good to go long, winner. Failure by the looks of it, but it was outside your breakout time zone in this instance. So you can see how you can use this thing for, that was a winner. You can use it for building a really useful strategy. Okay, so this one probably would have been a loser, gone both ways, but having said that, that move, if you just traded the break and not the close, was 16 pips. Winner, failure, broke out and failed. Histo got you in, so it doesn't win all the time. You could add an MA or a trend or whatever, or a break and pull back. Say, right, I'll wait for it to break, pull back and test it again and go. So that's a 4 hour box. You can change it to 1 hour, 12 minutes, as I said, 7 minutes, 6 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. Do your own calculations, and that's how you use the daily line box on any time of day you want, down to a 1 minute box if you can, if you want to, and you're good to go. There's how you build a strategy. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.